Attributed to philosopher John Stuart Mill, the harm principle argues that governments should protect as much individual liberty and freedom as possible, except where it crosses the line into harming others. The harm principle is a central element of classical liberal ideology. However, like with most philosophical ideas, the harm principle can be quite a contested idea. Because, how do you define harm? For example, if we ask the question, when does speech become harm? Well, that raises all sorts of different debates about when it's potentially acceptable to limit the freedom of speech. As with many of these philosophies, there's lots of ground to discuss and debate. And these ideas evolve as society evolves. After all, our world today is very different from when John Stuart Mill was writing on ideas like the harm principle. And we can potentially see instances of harm that weren't even around or conceived of back in Mill's time. Where do you think we should draw the line on harm? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you like my Thomas Hobbes Leviathan t-shirt, you can check out my merch store below where you can get one of your own. And as always, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and we'll see you again next time.